Scott, let's say I'm one of your customers, or I'm a potential customer. When it really comes down to it, I only have a couple of big things that are really concerning me. One, is there going to be enough money to pay for this? And how do I go through that process? How do I get the insurance company to cover it and that I don't get stuck with and holding the bag? Number two, just somebody I can trust, quite frankly. I mean, this is my biggest investment. It's our home, and which leads to that final thing is, at the end of the day, is the house going to look as good or better? I just don't want to make a mistake. So those are the biggest questions I have. How would you answer that if I was to be your customer?
Well, first off, I would tell you that the thing that you want to concentrate on is make sure that you have selected the right contractor to do the work. And I look at it a lot of times just like if I were, a cardiac patient and I needed surgery. And I'm not going to go and try to shop around and find the cheapest surgeon to do my surgery.
Doctor.
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 And doctor.
I'm going to find a good, competent surgeon, and I'm going to let that person work it out with the insurance company what their charges are, because that's the way health insurance works. And really, your homeowner's insurance works the same way. I think you need to find a good contractor that's competent, and then let them work with the insurance company to determine what the payment is. Just like when you've got surgery, the only concern you really have is, or the only money you have out of pocket is your deductible. In the property and casualty world, it's the same way. All you have to worry about is the deductible. They'll pay market rates as long as you provide them with the documentation. So as a contractor, I know that with every insurance company, I've just got to provide the documentation I need to get paid what I should get paid on that particular job. And then the next thing is feeling comfortable with the person and the company that you're working with. I would make sure that you do some background information search, look at social media, look at the work that they've done in the past, see if they're willing to provide you with customer references. Once you've picked the right contractor, everything else should be able to fall into place.